Hello everyone. How does a computer store negative numbers without a minus sign? Simple. It flips bits and adds 1. Computers only understand binary. So to represent negative numbers, processors use something called complements. 1's complement flip every bit. If this is our original data, the result of 1's complement will be this data. That is 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. That's all. Now let's understand 2's complement. Take the 1's complement result and add 1 as shown here. The result you obtain is the 2's complement of the original data. That final value becomes the negative representation. Here's the cool part. Processors can perform subtraction using only addition because internally a minus b is nothing but a plus 2's complement of b. So instead of building separate subtraction hardware, engineers made one smart trick which does both the jobs. And that trick powers almost every modern CPU. Now let's see how ARM7 generates 1's and 2's complement using just 2 instructions. First, let's check if there is any error in this code. No error, so we'll go ahead with debugging. Consider this code. Here, area is an assembler directive which defines a section of memory to store this information. Complement is the name I have given to that section of memory. Code indicates this section of memory contains instructions. Read only because we don't want any modification to be happening to this particular code during runtime. Entry indicates where exactly execution starts. Very first label after entry is the location where execution actually starts. Start, stop are nothing but labels. End indicates the end of source file. The very first instruction here loads the value 55, that is hexadecimal number 55, into register R0. Next, we use the instruction move not in order to find 1's complement of this content and place it in register R1. Okay, and finally we add 1 to this particular result. The final result we obtain is all F's and AB, which is the 2's complement of the given hexadecimal number 55. Once this task is done, we jump to an infinite loop, that is stop branch to stop. That's all about this code.